G'day and welcome to Diamond Art with Del. How are we all? Today I'm doing an unboxing of an order from Fansells. This is the second order I placed with Fansells in the time frame of waiting for my first, and I had all those issues and with some loose beads and whatnot, and after quite a bit of back and forth I finally got a replacement diamond kit from them. I'm yet to start that and check that out, but it counted all the beads, so they seem to be all there, so that's very good. I am to unbox this one today. There's quite a few, so let's get rolling. Zoom. We have all sorts of different things in this bag. In fact, there goes the bag. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus this little number we'll get into in a minute. So I'm just going to start with, nearly dropped it, with this one here. It's only very small, so a lot of these are that little snack size, fun size type diamond paintings, and I'm not 100% sure what I ordered anyway. Some of these are really stuck down and there's nothing much you can do about it. So these from Fansells. Oh God. Okay, stop. What are they, all under $10? I think they're all about under $10. I'll put some prices up if you like. So I can't even remember what I bought. Now, much the same type of canvas as I've had in the past with these guys. Okay. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so this is a partial. Partial, very vibrantly printed. That was my head. Round. We've got round drills coming at you. So we've got a lovely image there. And I've got some round drills. And of course, I've got your kit. Just basic kit. Alright. 30 by 40 or so they would say, but a bit shy of that. 24 colours. So 24 colours there. And we're running with a generic sort of thing. Oh God, there's a dollar sign and stuff there, but not much. Mostly all letters, numbers for the key. Poured glue. Let's give that a bit of a roll. Alright, so there she is. Can we see that? Yeah, she's in shot. So, you've got your background here that's printed and so forth. And we have 1 and 2 lovely jellyfish. Letters are really, they are popping. Like really nicely done. Which is nice to see. So DIY fashion diamond painting written across there. I'm just going to have a really close look. Focus. There we go. At the drill field and the print on this one. As you can see, it's, well, very clear. This here is the printed area where you don't diamond paint. Wow. I'm actually, for this smaller, cheaper, that's time at diamond paintings, that's really well done. The glue is the average. So believe it or not, we have 24 colours in that one. All right, looking at the drills. Okie dokie. Where is the edge? And having a look through at the drills for the Jellyfish, you can see they're round. We have number and DMC code. They look really good. Really nice colours. There we go. Not a lot of some of the colours, but they're very vibrant and lovely. Oh, we have a mystery one. Wow. Oh look, another mystery. You can sort of really see there the, other than the focus. You can sort of see there some of the quality there of the drills. Maybe. Some blues. Quite a few little nicks and edges on there. Pinks. Tangerine orange, light orange, pale minty colour, teal, there it is. That's a pink. Oh, tangerine and pinks. Boom, boom. 22, 23, 24. There we go. 24 colours, including white. So that is your canvas there. The beautiful coloured print. Some nicely printed letters. Some nice vibrant drills. Definitely not mad about that one. That's pretty good. Happy with that. Alright, let's move along, shall we? Okay, so next one. What have we here? Bow, bow, bow. Oh, God. These things are so well stuck. Oh, dropped it. Caught it. Kinda. Oh, wow. Okay, so they're really well sealed bags. Okay, getting rid of the bag. Canvas feels much the same. What a thick, firm canvas. What have I got here? Okay, right, yes. Kind of remember now. Again, kit. Drills. Will be round. We'll get to those. And 30 by 40 is the selling recommendation. This is obviously a little bit shy. We have a clear cover and a poured glue. Ta-da! Hopefully we can see this. Boom. Boom. Alright, so this is a full drill. It is image there of a skull and some little flowers, because you know that's what skulls do. Thumbnail. There we go. So the stick drill area is full drill, and we have a skull image there, as sort of we can see, and we've got some little pink roses, etc., poking out of its eye and head and stuff. So hopefully that will come across in this small image. And we'll check out the glue while we're here, eh? Hey, that's, yeah, that's okay. Again, the very easy basic number letters down the side. Pow. Okay. Two keys, one on each side, and 17 colours. Drill area. How's it looking? Right, so we got some detail there of the skull's teeth, and these are the flowers, etc. Come out of your eye. So yes, it'll be interesting to see what happens with that. Drills be round. The drills be round. Alright, so we're going to open up these drills and have a look at them. Let's check them out. Having a bit of a look at the drills, the round drills. They are for the skull with the little rose on the side. See a lot of nice peach colours there. It's a very dark blue. Coming into greys, just unfold that. Some different shades there of grey. That real purpley blue, like a real deep purple. Yeah, more purple. Because, you know, nothing like purple. Anyway, okay. What we got there? I think that's another, might be a black or blue. Reds. Oh, I think that'd be black. That'd be black. This colour here, there's a lot of that. It's be the background, I assume. More brighter tangerines, wine colours. What is that? Yep, that, I don't know. And of course there's our lucky last of the colours for the skull. So there you have it. They are the drills there for the skull piece. So just a nice close look at the key there. And the drill field for this piece. And there's your thumbnail. There's that piece there from Fansells. Number 3. Again, with the sticky packaging. Got it. Okie doke. Another very small piece. Another useless bag. Gone. Alright, so yeah, the canvas hasn't changed. They're still very thick and hard to maneuver. There we go. So we've got another skull piece. Yep, another skull here. This one has some swirls and some flower design. Let's have a look. So we have another skull, 30 by 40. It's not going to be that, but that's okay because you can just see that they're small. Another kit that we don't need. And some of this blue banded packaging for the drills, which are round. Alright, so how is the glue on this one? About the same. It's, you know, it's quite sticky. And yeah, throughout the same. Fold that back to try and straighten out that image so you can see the skull there. Hopefully. if it's not shiny. That better? There we go. Probably a bit better that way. So there we have another skull. We have some decorative pieces throughout here, some flowers, etc. How it'll turn out, we'll just have to wait and see with the size. 17 colours, 1 key down the side here. We'll have a bit look at that. Just all your numbers and letters on there. Got a bit of the drill fields, pretty well printed, to be honest. So that's pretty good. Alright, so let's check out the drills. Let's have a look down here and have a look at the drills. So we're looking at these drills here. They're in the blue packaging there. So I'm going to open them up so we can have a real closer look. We have the DMC numbers. There's our favourite, 310. Not. Here are the drills in their blue packaging. You can have a see there that they've got. See there. You got your 1 and your DMC number there to help you guide you. Blue strip. Round drills. And we've got some really lovely shades of pinks and so forth through here. Some really bricky red type of cream pinks and peaches or whatever. Going into some grey, some deeper greys. You know, a very vibrant popping purple. Popping. Blacks. Straighten out the gonga line here a little bit. Good old fashioned brown and green. Nice soft pinks. That minty green, it's really pretty. To a nice sort of tree green. Right through to this fella here. So that's all the beautiful colours to that. So having a quick close gander at all those beautiful colours. The drills look really nice. I must say when I did the other Fansells I was really happy with the sparkle of the drills. I was a bit worried about the damage, like the rough edges and stuff. But being round they sit okay on the canvas. That is your drill field print. And I think it's pretty clear. I think you'll be doing pretty well with that. Sorry about the shine. Alright. And there you have number 3, skull number 2. Coming at ya, number 4. What is number 4 going to give me? All I remember, they were about, well, they were in pounds, so they ran from about £3 for most of them. I think the odd one was £6 at the most, which converts about $6 to $11 each in the land of Oz. Oh, it came back. Go away. All right, so canvas time. Opening up, it looks like another partial. Oh. Okay, so let's unwind this. Here's another stiffy. Ta-da! Oh, that's cute. It's only 30 by 30. It's going to be a special drill. Mandala. I do like a good mandala. Okay, so this little fella has got only 9 types of the special beads for that one. You can sort of see the print's pretty good for the non-stick area. Wow. Ooh. Oh. Didn't want to stay focused. That is your drilling areas. Those are along the stars, the big red areas, and lots of little small areas around each of the stars, and the rest is print. We'll get down and have a good look at that in a minute. Okay, so the sticking area is pretty good actually. Happy with that. This is going to be a very fast project. I think this will be very fast. But a lot of fun. I like little fun projects as well. Oh, he'll come good eventually. Anyway, so there you go. Special drill mandala 30 by 30. Technically that way. Can we tell the difference? No. No we cannot. Oh, no. Yeah, the star's not straight. Alright. So there we are. That is the canvas. Her drill kit. And, ta-da! The drills. These will be interesting to have a look at. I like looking at drills. So we have 9 colours. We have that really beautiful orange sparkly colour in special. And we got some nice hot pink. Going into blue. Beautiful sparkle blue. Green. Beautiful. And we've got this beautiful pearlized white Aurora Borealis on there. That's going to be interesting. And we've got some of these beautiful little teardrops. We've got Aurora Borealis on those teardrops. Look at those, beautiful. Oh wow, look at those. These are red shiny teardrops. No, it's definitely the best way to show you for the packaging. There's some beautiful gold ones as well. Mandala in the gold. Marquee, sorry. Marquee for my mandala. It's an M word. We'll go with that. And some really large red teardrops there. That'll be for your centerpiece. Hope they're coming up alright. I'll get them close as I can. They are beautiful. I like it. So there you are. That's all the drills for that one. So there's your printed areas to that piece. Big star. Bow. So that's where the red ones go. There. Stop not focusing today. And where is it? 30 by 30. And there is your key. Yep, 9 different ones. We'll go with that. Okay, that's very groovy. Groovy, man. 5. Number 5. Da da da. Alright, let's get into it. Sticking to me again. Alright. Whoa, this one wants to come out. Goodbye, bag. And goodbye, kit. Don't need you. So this one, okay, 30 by 40. This actually looks more like a 30 by 40 to be honest by the size. And you guessed it, skull number 3. 30 by 40, definitely more like a 30 by 40. 15 colours. That's 15 colours. Alright, let's roll this out a little bit because it don't want to play nice. Play it nice. Ba-doom. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. Ba-doom. There we go. First take. Got it on the first take. Sticky. Yes. 15 colours, nicely bright colours. It's actually showing me some detail, so I'm kind of happier with that, because the other ones I was a bit concerned actually on how much detail's there. It looks like just a solid colour background, even though this is a full drill. I don't know if that's worth it, if it's going to just be white, but let's see how we go with that. Alright, so that's pretty groovy. I'm happy enough with that. It does actually look good. The print actually looks good. That's, you know, difference I think when you open one of these smaller canvases, if you can see the image well in the print. I like it. Okay, round drills. Let's have a quick dander through those. Scandering and dandering. Yes, that is a thing. Alright, so just this really basic type packaging for this one. As I suspected, a lot of white is going to be involved in this piece. So we're going to come down and have a look through those. PJ packaging. We have PJ packaging for the third skull, and this is it up nice and close. So hopefully you can get a good look at these like nice shiny facets and other things that are going on. I seem to get a lot of these little rogue drills. So looking through the pinks and orange, reds, whatever we got here. More of these little loose beads through here. We got browns. We got greens coming. We got a whole lot of mixed up drills. That's actually a really dark green. It looks sort of black there, but yeah, it's a really deep dark green. Going into some reds. My thing's getting caught up. See, another loose green. Why are you there? And then of course we know we can't. We like to share. You know, you can have one of me. Okay, I'll have one of you. There we go. Green be sharing with everybody. There's some peaches. That's quite nice. That wine colour. Really different shade of reds there, going in the brown, and then we're going to get a whole lot of this cream colour coming through, because that's all the cream for the background. That's just the solid background. Joy, joy, joy for this colour. It'll be right up there with 310, you will. So that creamy colour will be this background. It's 15. And so there's a lot of for a 30 by 40. We've got some, you know, very good print, I think, throughout this one. So that'll be fine. You get away without having a light pad, but if you work with one like I do, you'll have no trouble at all. I do like the fact that there's a fair bit of colour, there's some detail. You can see the teeth or area of the skull there. And the flowers, you know, it's got some good definition to it. So I am happy with that. Hopefully it looks good as well once it is all finished. Some nice detail, 15 colours, and I think for the about $6 Australian it would have cost me, I'm very happy with that piece. Number 6. Okay, so number 6 again is looking in that same design frame / area of size, and again these are well sealed bags. Okay, this one's beyond the joke. What the? Oh! If you haven't had your Wheat Bix, you're gonna struggle. Maybe it's just, I wish I'm not, words. Scissors is the word I was going to try to say there. Okay, canvas is same. No changes there. What have I got here? Whoa, what have I bought this time? Doo-dah, dandy day. Whoa, that is so bright. Kit, be gone. Whoa. Okay, sunflower. It's really creased up and crunkled up though. This one's really creased and crunkledy. I don't know if it was fitting in that bag properly or something. Okay, so this got some really poppin' colours. You have 25 on a 30 by 40. 25 colours on a 30 by 40. Where do they come from? That is going to help me get some really nice definition and shading and stuff though. That's really good. So yeah, let's check out the sticky. Actually, that's probably better than some of them. That's doing better. That's definitely doing better. Nice poured glue. Nice. Ready? Let's go. Don't crow. Okay. Just so professional. Zoom. Oh, yep. Totally got that on the first go. Okay. So this is all crinkled and whatnot, but to be honest, it will all straighten out, so it's not really a big deal. You know, if you wanted to work on it straight away, probably be best to just try and work on it tomorrow if you can. Just give it one night at least under some books. I'll have a closer look at that canvas in a minute. I have got some really vibrant colours in here. Wacko the jacko. Alright, and they're round. Yep. Round. What in the gizzards lizards? Okay. So we've got that blue strip packaging, and we have a lot of them. So we're going to come on down. So 25 colours, beautiful vibrant colours. Get out. You can see there, like you can really see the shine on these drills. They are nice looking drills from these packages. We've got a nice brown, burgundy reds, very vibrant. Can I add another very yellow there? That purple though, nice. I can't do the nice sign. That is nice. I like that. Beautiful browns, like they're nice shades of brown. Got some olive greens and so forth. Different shades of pinks to hots or whatnots. Oranges are just so beautiful. Sun colours. Some tans and wow, look at that tree greeny colour. More browns, oranges. Again, you can just see the nice shine to them. And a really nice hot pink there. And that's the first 20 colours. I'm just going to flip this because it comes on a separate strip and bring that through. That there is a really nice yellow for sunflowers. And we like to share browns, and that's just wow. Ba ba ba. Purple. Okay, so 25 colours for that piece of resistance. We'll go down and have a quick closer look. That's a lot of drills. That'd be a lot. That'll be focused a lot of drills. There we go. That'd be a lot of drills for this DP. Absolutely stunning piece. That's those beautiful vibrant greens. And the yellows. Pinks. Blues, purples, 30 by 40. There is your thumbnail. Your key. Very easygoing, generic sort of key there. And there's some of your drill field. Look at that. Wow. Alrighty, let's pop off to the next one. 7. Here is number 7. Again, it is having a difficult time. coming out of its shell. Enough of this business. I can see the canvas. I know I'm not going to cut it because scissors don't cut. Okay. But wait, there's still more. It's concealed in another bag. This is small. Okay. This be small. This be very small. Okay. So it's got its own little pocket because, you know, why not? Come out of there. You're not going to get the stay in there. Move the scissors out of shot. Don't need them in shot. All the rubbish. Be gone. You see nothing. Well, this is a different type of canvas. Definitely more pliable, more soft. Texture just feels different. Very, very small little horsey. Oh, there we go. I totally forgot I ordered that. Okay, so 18 colours. Teeny tiny. I think it's about like a 25 or so by 30. That is the thumbnail. Okay, so there is your thumbnail for this one. It's a beautiful horse's head. I've done a horse in the past approximately this size, and obviously I thought, well, I could do another one. So I ordered another one. Similar tones and colours. That's the key. So the 18 colours, pretty much all letters and numbers for that one. Another kit. More round drills. Some more round drills for this one in the blue type packaging again. So we'll open them up and we'll have a look. Where's the edge? There we go. I think like a colour bar or something on these things would be really handy to find, so you can find the edge, you know. That would be ideal. Okay, so 18 colours. Ringo. Rightio. Let's get down close and personal with this one, shall we? Starting. Got this type of packaging here with the DMC and one again on the blue, so which is nice. I like that packaging for that reason, I suppose. It's handy. So this is the black, some blues, browns. You get a lot of browns with this being a horse that is brown. Okay. So grey there. Nice tans, nice shine to them. Well, that's a little interesting. Anyway. Yeah, some really deep browns there, deep blues. Come through some tan colours there. Some bricky browns. Caramel browns. Some woody colours. Sky blues and the flat to creamy colour. It's not really white, it's more a creamy colour. I don't think it's white. What colour you be? 3866. Yeah, it's more of a cream than white, isn't it? Alright, so that's those. That's the 15. So that's the 15 colours in that packaging. There is your key for, once again, your drill field. Da-da-da. It's not too bad. There we are. That's the image there. And that is your thumbnail. Thumbnail. Anyway. Okay, let's have a look at another one, shall we? I'm going to introduce this one a little bit differently, a bit slower. Number 8 is definitely a different diamond art. Okay, so this order I have is in its own special little case. Alright, this cute little case. It's stuck down, so I'll unstick that so we can have a look inside. Maybe. Oh, well, that's a part of the tape. Why tape that? Okay, tape's off. Tape, be gone. There. Get off. Go away. Alright, hopefully I can. No, there's more there still. Alright, so it's really well taped up. Anything else? No? Okay. So we've got a little latch here on the case. Oh, that was a moment. Did you miss it? So inside we have where we do our diamond painting on. A kit. Oh, that one fell down. Okay. And of course, our diamonds. So let's just close that little container. You can reuse that. I know, put all your spare kits in. Little traveller or something. It's got a nice little latch. It's also got a little bit there, I think. Yep, you can do something with. I don't know. Stuff. I think it's supposed to come out so you can hang it. Anyway, so you've got yourself a nice little container afterwards to keep. So what we're putting our drills on is this cute little butterfly design. It has special drills. It has just a little small area to stick on, which is really grippy, like that. No problems. Beautiful colours, lots of different colour drills for this one. So you can really have a good close look at the drill field there. We'll come into it a bit closer and wait for the magic. It's a mirror inside. In fact, it's a double mirror. So inside there you have a beautiful shining mirror. Hello. Hello. So in that nice case, it's got a nice texture on the back. Gone. And you get to diamond paint it. So you could give this as a gift as it is, or you could decorate it and not drop it, and then you could give that as well. Okay, so I'm just going to come down a bit closer because it's only a small item. Okay, so we're just having a really close look now at the little mirror. So here we have the drill area, the stick area at the moment, and lots of colours there, as you can see. The design is a butterfly. This white area is not sticky. We can just flip the back and we can see a nice soft texture. This is really nice to feel, actually. Really like that. Okay, so it does open up. If I had something, oh look, a kit. You can see how the colours, it's quite a clear, nice mirror. Anyway, stop it, get out there. Be gone, kid. Alright, so as you can see, it's a nice mirror inside. So you can give this as a gift after you diamond paint it. Or you could still put it in the kit all together as a nice little gift as well. This here be the drills. So we'll have a look at those. Right, so just looking at this purple packaging, these look absolutely gorgeous. They are really shiny, lovely drills in here. Are they? They got definitely a different type of cut, I'm sure of it. Am I going nuts? They look like they have a slightly different, more flatter top and then faceted differently. They definitely look different. Or is that just me? I don't know. Having a moment here. So maybe that's why we have the different colour. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. So yeah, we got yellow, we got pink, hot pink. That's just like a fire orange. It's really pretty. Which look a lot more rounded to me with their facet. Definitely looks different. This beautiful metallic-y blue is really pretty. This green here is just absolutely gorgeous. Love that. Some really nice winey colour golden marquee. Some beautiful Aurora Borealis reddy orange type teardrops and some purple ones as well, and that's going all on that beautiful little butterfly. So that's all going on there. Wow. Okay. So I must say this piece was the one, I think one of the dearest pieces I got. This was, I say, about £6 or £7, which is about $11–12 Australian. So there you go. But I think I got a really nice kit. I'm really pleased with that actually. These colours though. Wow. That's awesome. This is beautiful. And you're going to have leftover for sure with this. There is a lot in the bag for such a small drill area. I'm really happy with all of them at this point. A lot of different designs, even styles of diamond painting there. I've got full drill, I've got partials, I've got special drills, I've got this mirror kit. I've got a really great variety. Happy with that part of it with Fansells at the moment. Once they bring back the free shipping and so forth, I think that we actually really good. So in total, yay, I'm happy with this order. So there's all the kits. So there we have all those wonderful kits from Fansells. So that is the 8 we've unboxed today. As you can see, we've got a really big range of design, full drill, special drill, and of course even a special type of canvas using the mirror case, etc. there. So voila. They are the 3 different skulls. We'll see how they all turn out. This is a really interesting mixed load, but it's going to be a lot of fun. They're beautiful and vibrant. They just look really great. So I'm looking forward to working on them. Diamond paintings to look through in that collection. I end up having 3 skulls, a horse, a special drill mandala, a very vibrant sunflower, and some jellyfish, and a beautiful little butterfly mirror, which will be a quite quick little fun little project to do. So a good haul, definitely a good haul of a good variety of things to do. So yeah, I'm going to get hopefully stuck into something out of this collection shortly, and I'll put that up there on a review. So fingers crossed everything here is fine. By looks of it, it is. I'm going to do a double check again to make sure all the numbers add up, just in case, only because I've had to do so in the past. And yeah, so I would just like to thank everyone who's liked and subscribed so far. I really do appreciate that. So a big thank you to all of you. Thank you very much. And this is Del going to sign out here and leave it here. Another long video, sorry about that. So that's my second Fansells haul. Haul, that's the one, I think. Okay. So anyway, I'll leave it there with you guys. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I do appreciate it. And bead your life beautiful with diamond art. This is Del signing out. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.